Hello, I am super elated to be standing in the Rise Garden on the fourth day in a row as we are planting and cultivating what will feed many, what will be used to host our cooking classes. Right now, I'm standing in front of a bed of collard greens. I've got a little bit of kale. There's a few more spots in here where we can plant some other things. We've got some romaine lettuce, all kinds of mint, chocolate mint, sweet mint, pineapple mint, apple mint, variety of mint. I cannot wait until we put water on the table with tea and mint leaves on the inside and just let it brew in the sun. Then we've got eggplant, green pepper, we've planted tomatoes, we have some squash, green beans will be coming, and then yesterday Melina and I continued on with the herbs and more collards and tomatoes and some other things that'll be coming up, cucumbers. And so it's super exciting to know that 27 years ago, when I received the vision for Rise, that it would come to this. I'm really going to try to get through this video without crying because it is just so amazing that, here I am. There was a season in my life where I didn't know who my father was. I was raised by a single mom. I went to so many different schools, lived in so many communities. I became a single parent. I was in a domestic violence situation. And here I am, restored, okay? And not only am I restored, but I'm building legacy, something that will outlive me. And what an honor to be able to give back and to help young girls and women go through transition, to help them become better, do better, be better, to gather with other empowered women. You don't necessarily have to be a woman who's gone through anything, but life, man, throws you stuff, right? And what you decide to do with it is the vehicle or the freeway that will help others. And so, again, I'm just super excited. The last 2 weeks, I have walked alongside many people that have helped me in the garden. And it's been so empowering to know that I just really started all of this. I started gardening on my deck as a result of the pandemic and being home, but it was in my DNA. My great-grandparents were cranberry boggers, farmers. My grandparents were fishermen, fisherwoman. My grandmother was an amazing fisherwoman, amazing gardener, amazing cook. I mean, just entrepreneur. She was a florist, a seamstress, a hairdresser. I mean, I come from a long line of those that were committed to help and to service others. So I stand here today filled with joy that this land, it will feed those that are hungry. It'll be a safe space, maybe for the woman in corporate America who is stressed out and just needs a place to rest, where nobody knows her name. She could just come, she can find respite in our retreat center, our silent retreat room on the top floor of the Rise House. She can give back. That woman who has a desire or a dream inside of her and she just needs to go somewhere just for solitude. I'm telling you, this land is filled with so much peace. And I haven't even finished making it as beautiful as it will be. The cherry blossom trees. I'm creating the floral garden, the floral landscape. I started putting the lights that last night Melina and I were late and the lights came on and it was so breathtakingly beautiful. But I just wanted to get on today and encourage someone. There's a dream inside of you that is so much bigger than who you are. And even, I just even want to shout out, like, sometimes you start shouting people out and you may forget someone, but trust me, I'm going to do this so many times. So if I don't say your name, I will say it at some point. But I just want to shout out April, Marika, Shayla, Kenya, Kirby, Catherine, Olaranti, Margaret, Annette. There have just been so many people that came up and decided that they were going to be Rise leaders, Rise directors. Stephanie. Oh my gosh, there's just so many people that have just been a part of this. And I'm just right now just kind of talking about those that took part in leading it. But there were so many volunteers, so many faithful, committed volunteers that just helped keep the program going. When I thought, man, is it time to end it? And then there were so many parents and so many girls that kept saying, no, please keep it going. I want my daughter to go through it. Or, please keep it going. It was so great for me. I want it to be great for someone else. And I'm just filled with joy that it has become this. This is going to be a land where we have walking trails. It's in the plan to have a bee farm and to sell fresh cut flowers, and our state-of-the-art building that will be coming, within the next 1 to 5 years. I don't know. I mean, I believe that someone's going to walk on this land and they're going to feel the presence that I feel every time I walk here. A presence of healing, the peace of God that surpasses all understanding. It's so cut away from everything else, but so close to everything else. And so those of you that have sown into this project, that you have given, you've purchased bricks, the tour, the Rise House tour and the land tour will be coming soon. Continue to pray for us. We are waiting for a permit to dig up for some water pipes so that we can have the appropriate water pressure in the house. We need that for the kitchen. We need it for the bathrooms. And let me tell you something. Having to lug the hose from the garden and attach it to the church spigot. I mean, the last 3 nights that I've gone home and taken a shower, I mean, the dirt that pours off of me. But that dirt does not, oh my God, I'm getting so teary. That dirt does not compare to what is going to take place here. I'm telling you, it just, wow. And even yesterday, as we were planting, I took Melina around to show her. I gave her a tour of, a nursery versus a home improvement store versus a farm, because I wanted her to have like a real comprehensive understanding of gardening and farming and the difference and what we could be. And so, I mean, I know it might sound like I'm all over the place, but I'm just so happy. Like, the work that it takes to do this. And so many people say to me, like, you're so busy, and honestly, I just keep seeing that girl. That she just needs some encouragement. I keep seeing that woman, that corporate woman that's like, man, I'm stressed and I just need to do something to take my mind off. I see that single parent, that single mom that is like struggling and just needs like a boost. Those are the things that keep me going. I mean, they keep me going. That is my energy. That's my purpose. That's what I've been made for. And so I'm standing here in this garden. I have my second vaccine shot in about an hour, and so I've got to run over to get that. But I thought I have to go see my garden because after I get my shot, I really need to rest. And I really do need rest. Like, I've been here. I told y'all I'd be taking these showers with all this dirt falling off of me. But I just had to come and make sure that my plants took root, and they did. And they're just standing tall, and I feel like they're smiling at me. They're like, we're so happy. And then God, like, as soon as Melina and I finished, as soon as she got home and as soon as I got home, it started raining and thunderstorming. I just felt like, oh my gosh. And that's all I kept saying to her, Melina, we've got to get this in so when the rain comes, like, all of these plants can take root. And that's what happened. So I just wanted to encourage someone today. Listen, I started Rise 27 years ago. I mean, I had a growth plan, and year 10, I thought, okay, maybe it's done. Year 15, year 20, and here we are, year 27. We're still going strong. The house is being worked on. We finally got some vegetables, herbs, and mint in the ground, and we are seeing progress. And so I want to encourage you. Maybe you have a dream, maybe you have a vision, and you're not sure where to start. Take it one step at a time, one day at a time, one moment at a time. But keep working towards it and keep giving time to it. Have a schedule so that you can make sure that even if you give it a half an hour a day, here I am, about to be 55, and look what's about to happen. I'm going to be able to spend the rest of my days walking through these pathways and giving hope, inspiration, love, joy, peace to anybody who comes here. And listen, it was a little dream that was built out of pain. And so thank you for listening all the way to the end. I'm going to be posting more videos about our farm, our garden. And once we have, we've got the water in and the house is done and we start the tours, then we'll be taking names for those who want to volunteer and help with the cause, because we will need a lot of volunteers. So I'm gonna show you around real quick because I think I got like a minute on this video. So I want you to see the mints, I want you to see the herbs, I want you to see the tomatoes. It's so exciting. So let me hurry up. Here we go. Okay, so I always put marigolds in my beds to attract the bees. But when we have the bee farm, we don't have to worry about that, right? Look at all these great mints. Look at them. Isn't that, ooh. So mint spreads and takes over everything, so you can't really put it with anything else because it will just, let me tell you something, don't plant mint with anything else. These are things that need to be planted, which we'll get to that. These are all my tomatoes. Look at those. And this is what I'm super proud of because I love fresh herbs. So, look at that herb garden. I mean, ooh, we have basil, we have purple basil, we have dill, we have rosemary, we have cilantro and parsley, but it's about to end. So peace out.